Forever young, yeah, that's what we want to be. No bills, no work, no troubles or responsibilities. Just sleep all night and play throughout the day, not caring what kind of struggles we have coming our way. It's a cold, cold world, and the older that you get, the more the system screws you when you're left in all that debt. Car insurance, doctor bills, cell phones, and maybe rent. Damn, before you know it, got your whole check spent. But they don't care, cause to them, it's all about the money. This government is whack, they don't care if we're hungry. Taxing all our dollars, make us work until we're numb. So let's say fuck it, have a moment like we did when we were young. Twelve-year-old girls trying to act like they 30, getting pregnant, doing drugs. They don't care who they hurting. Little child, listen up. You won't like that life alone. You think growing up is fun, but you will realize that you're wrong. Raising kids ain't no joke, and I never got the privilege, but right now it's hard enough. It's like survival of the fittest. Relax and take your time. You only get one life. Get your minds in the game and give it one more try. Take advantage of your youth. This life is such a blessing, because when you grow up, it's hard work and stressing. Look up to the sky and see what we're among. Take a moment, think about it, and enjoy it while you're young.